Hello and welcome. You are watching Deva Technologies YouTube channel by Nisha Sharma. In this video, we will explore the Diploma in Nursery Teacher Training entity covering its syllabus, teaching methods and career opportunities. Stay with us to learn how this course can shape your career in early childhood education. So, whether you are a student, a parent, or someone interested in early childhood education, this video will provide valuable information to you. So, let's start. Syllabus for Diploma in Nursery Teacher Training, DNTT. The duration of course can be 1 or 2 years, it depending on the institute and candidates. You can do diploma first year or second year. Now the syllabus for first year is Child Development and Psychology. In this you will be able to read stages of child development, physical development, emotional development, intellectual development, and social development of a child, understanding children's behavior and their psychological needs. Second, principles and methods of teaching. In this you will be able to read teaching methodologies suitable for young children, creative teaching aids and their importance, curriculum planning for young learners. Next, health and physical education. Under this you will be able to learn importance of physical development in early years, activities to improve motor skills, coordination, and overall health. Early Childhood Care and Education, ECCE. Importance of early childhood education in a child's overall development. The role of teacher in shaping early education, early learning environments, and their significance. Art and craft for children. Basic art and craft activities for stimulating creativity. Use of art and craft in developing motor skills. After that you have a part B. In part B, you will do your practical work like lesson plan, practical files, and school teaching practicals, nursery rhymes, group songs, English poems, Hindi poems, and patriotic songs. First syllabus is deals with the first year if you are going to do 1 year diploma. Now next is second year diploma. For second year the syllabus will be, your first paper will be in second year, language development, the development of language skills in young children, teaching language through storytelling, rhymes and songs, phonics and vocabulary buildings. Now next, social and environmental studies, introducing children to basic social concepts and environmental awareness, activities to teach basic geography, history and community understanding. After that you have the classroom management, strategies for maintaining discipline in a nursery setting, creating a positive, inclusive and engaging learning environment. Next you have a assessment and evaluation in early childhood education. Methods of assessing young children's development evaluating children's progress in social, emotional, and cognitive skills. Then you have a child nutrition and health. Nutrition and health education for young children, importance of balanced diets and hygiene practices. Now next you have optional skills. While you are becoming a teacher, you have such skills. Number 1, teaching practice. Practical teaching experience in a nursery or preschools. Observation and hands-on experience in managing children and classroom. Educational technology, use of modern educational tools and resources in early childhood education. Introduction to digital learning aids and tools for young learners. Parent-teacher interactions, communication skill and techniques for interacting with parents, organizing parents-teacher meeting and addressing children's needs collaboratively. After that, you should have additional skills like basic first aid and safety, preparing teacher to handle emergencies. Value education, instilling moral values in young children. So these are the syllabus for 1 year entity or 2 year entity. The practical work will be same for 1 year or for 2 years. Now, entity is essential for anyone aspiring to become a nursery teacher, as it not only enhances teaching abilities but also contributes to the holistic development of young learners. Well-trained teachers create a nurturing and stimulating environment, ensuring children receive in the best start to their educational journey. Nursery teacher training is a specialized program designed to equip individuals with those skill, knowledge and techniques required to educate and care for young children, typically between the ages of 3 to 6 years. The importance of entity lies in its role in shaping the foundation of a child's early development and preparing educator to handle this crucial stage effectively. Entity is crucial not just for the professional development of educator but also for ensuring that young children receive quality education and care during their formative years. It lays the groundwork for a brighter future both for the individual child and society as whole. Thank you for watching my videos. For more, like, share and subscribe my channel.